Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you if in your Facebook profile you don't have the Reels option, then how you will apply for Reels option. Before applying Reels option, your Facebook profile should have the professional mode. If your Facebook profile is approved for professional mode, then you can upload Reels and earn from your Facebook profile. To achieve the professional mode, your Facebook profile should have 1000 followers in last 30 days. Now I will show how in your profile, if you don't have the Reels option, then how you will apply for the Reels option. Let's open Google Chrome. Here type facebook.com/creators/programs/bonuses. And you will find this kind of user interface. From here, tap the menu and you can tap on programs and then bonuses. Then you will be guided into this page. Scroll down and here you will find all the pages of your profile. Click on the page on which you want to apply Reels option. Tap on the page and the first name, last name, email address will automatically fill up. You have to type the page category and put your Instagram URL. After completing the form, you have to select the program preference. From here, select all of the above and then click on submit. Then Facebook will review your form and they will inform you if you are eligible for uploading Reels. By this way, you can apply for Facebook Reels option. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.